Welcome to Lovely Garden, where we encourage you to grow your own food the organic way. Today I'm starting the day in the garden and I am weeding. Weeding is one of those tasks I try to do every time I'm in the garden so that it does not get overwhelming. My weeding is mostly on the ground where I've put gravel. That is where I get lots of weed. Otherwise, in the raised beds, I rarely get any weeds. After weeding, the next thing I want to do is to feed the garden. So I currently don't have any animal manure, so I'm depending on compost tea. Thank God I had made lots of it, so that's what I'll use to feed every plant in the garden today. Whoa. Perfect. Can't remember when I planted these carrots, but I decided to harvest a few today. I was actually just checking if they are ready, and I was so shocked to get such a big harvest. And the carrots are so huge. I do these videos every day to encourage you that you don't need a lot of space to grow your own food.
To trace it by the you. Do you have anything else? Yes. I will do next time. We will do.
The carrots give me so many ideas, but first, let's do a carrot cake.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care.
As we wait for our cake to cool down a bit, I decided to do a bit of pruning. So this is a pomegranate plant. I'm very careful with it because I noticed it has some small buds, so I don't want to cut any flowers, but I still need to prune it. After that, I jumped onto the peach plant because I realized it's getting taller and taller, and I don't want any fruit tree getting any taller than this. So I also had to uh, trim it and prune it.
Beautiful.